Hey guys, so as you can tell from the title of this video, we are starting my move-in series. Woohoo! So I'm currently on my way home from work. It's Friday afternoon and I left about an hour early so we can make the trip up. And I'm extremely excited. I don't even know where to start. We're taking up all of the stuff that I got at IKEA last weekend, I guess. We are also painting this weekend. We're painting my room and Juliet's room. So that is super exciting. Eee! Okay, so we just got to the house. I'm gonna show you a nice little tour now, and I'm so excited. Yay, let's go.
So this is all we've got when we come inside. This is my friend Arya's room. It's dark, so you can't really see anything. No light works, so that's fine. Here's our kitchen. Wow. And we have a dining table, my dad's backpack, all the good things. A pantry that used to be stairs. Bathroom that dad's in. This is our living room. No couch, because he threw it out. And then this is my roommate, Juliet's room. We all know Juliet. Wow, everything is just so empty. It's so weird. Okay, and then the gross bathroom, don't need to go in there. And then a really nice bathroom here. Wow, okay. Yeah. And then the main attraction is my room. So, yes, fan, you know, windows, I don't know what's going on there. This is where my big desk is gonna go. That is my light, my bed, my fireplace. I'm gonna have a wardrobe over there, I think. And we're gonna paint all of this like a nice light gray. And it's gonna be very fun. So it's been a little while. It's now like 11. Got a little bit of progress done. So basically, we went in my room, filled in all the holes on my walls because there's a lot of them, and did that in Juliet's room too because we're painting her room. Loaded up the dishwasher because I want to clean all my things before I use them. And now we're just heading to sleep, and I'll probably see you guys in the morning for more fun, some painting, some more unpacking, some cleaning. My mom will be here tomorrow, so that'll be super fun. So good night. Well, hello there. Good morning from London, Ontario. We slept last night. My blinds kind of suck, so it wasn't the best sleep, but that's okay because we still slept. I am now heading to McDonald's to get me and my father some breakfast, and it's really weird because I'm driving my mom's car. I haven't driven a car that's not mine in a very long time, so it's very weird. And I'm very excited for today because it's painting. My dad's gonna start sanding off all of the spackle hole fillings that we did last night, and then when I get back we're just gonna start painting and washing everything. And yeah, but I'm kind of stressed out because I have to be home by 5, which means that I have to leave here at like 3:30. It's currently 7:41, so let's hope that we have time for all of the things. Thank you. You too. I have breakfast! Update on the house. Juliet's room. We've got all of the pre-paint. It's very echoey in here. Woohoo, everything's sanded down. You know, everything is looking good. Now we just have to actually paint it. And then in my room, we have all the... Dad, what's the edge called? Edging?
Yes.
Yeah, all the edging done.
The trim.
And then he also started rolling that wall. And he's still rolling that wall. Yahoo! Okay, so it's time to go. We finished painting
and I'm so happy. Look at it, it's a nice color, but everything else did not go really as planned.
So we wanted to build my whole wardrobe. This is as far as we got. Everything else is in shambles. I still need to clean up all of this mess. We're trying to leave within the next 10 minutes. Juliet's room is nice and painted, nice and clean. Yay, so Juliet, if you're watching this. Woohoo! Okay, let's continue to clean up my mess.
Good morning. So you guys probably thought that this vlog was over yesterday during my huge chaos, but I was able to get today off of work. So I was supposed to work 5 to 10, but I got it off. So we're going back and we're gonna finish the wardrobe, hopefully figure out my desk, and who knows what else. So stay tuned. I'm excited that we're going back. It was gonna stress me out if we didn't. So yay. Also, I look bald. I'm not. So we just got back and now we're gonna start to figure out this wardrobe. Wish us luck. We're gonna need it.
I think you need that space.
I agree.
And you're gonna have like your bedside table, maybe an extra chair,
I can put a chair in the corner.
maybe enough piece of furniture.
Yeah. Now drawers and doors. After lunch. Right?
So we're supposed to be
Lunchtime. Me and my big piece of wood are very satisfied.
home.
Home? How to get home? You don't know? Okay, go back out to the road.
Left.
Yes. But then when you get onto the road, you're going right. Woo! Doors. Okay, update time. We weren't able to do my desk at all, but my bed is looking really good, my wardrobe is done, and I'm gonna give you an update on the room. So when you walk in, this is what it looks like.
So I have my bed all made. And so this is where my big desk is gonna go. We bought the wood, which is good. And then fireplace. Father. And yeah, that's pretty much all we did today. But this is the big piece of wood that we bought. It's literally huge. That is 8 feet to go in my window. Yeah. Goodbye, house. Until next time.
So as you can probably tell, I'm home now. Back in the loo where my parents live, back at my parents' house. That was a very successful day. So we got my entire wardrobe done and we bought my desk. We haven't, cut all of the things to fit the window. I'm also gonna stain it to match my, what's it called, wardrobe, which is really good. And I'm just really happy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little moving vlog, painting, wardrobing, all that fun stuff. If you did, don't forget to give us a nice little thumbs up, not down, up. And a comment down below when you're going back to school, what school you go to, what grade you're in, what year of university, college you're in, all the fun things. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.